We're out here in the IV, the Imperial Valley. We'll do some pheasant and chukar hunt with the boys from Hunting with Haas. We got Evan out here with us today. He's gonna try to get some birds down or play around the fields. And Evan's grandpa Doug back there, he's working with the doggies. So hopefully it'll be a good day. Come back later and show you some down pheasants, and we know we'll be shooting a lot of ammo anyways for sure. Shooting holes in the sky. But anyways, should be a good day. We'll look back, we'll check in with you guys soon. What you think, Tower? You ready to get us some birdies? You ready to point us on some birds? You look like you're ready. Oh yeah, you're ready. You're probably ready more than any of us. This is gonna be fun to watch the dogs work the field.
He's probably like amateurs.
Amateurs, huh? He's ready, huh?
No, Doug's not an amateur though. He's like
so like
my owner.
Patty's
He thinks
so
you guys are
lean,
amateurs.
just like
He's ready to go. Look at him.
I'm bored.
He's ready to go. All right, we got the boy. He's double-fisted. Ready to go.
All right, let's do it.
Got Tower ready. Let's go, boys.
What? What? The trunk?
No, you're okay.
No, it's okay there. It's all right. Nobody's gonna steal anything here. We got guns. We'll shoot them.
That's right.
But what if it hits their car?
There we go. Tower, come on. Tower, come on.
Get the birdies, Tower.
No, not the 50 birds. Come on. Tower, come on. Come on. Let's go.
There you go.
See, there's something. Oh, I see him right here. It's a chucker. He's gonna come up. There he is. Get ready.
Oh, wow.
Good shot. Good shot.
Nice shot, Kyle.
Get him. Catch. Catch. Come on, catch.
That's amazing how they do just sit like that.
No, that's okay. Get the bird. Come on. Come. Get the bird.
That was awesome. Great shot, boy. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Nice nail.
That's a chucker, huh?
See, they're about twice the size of a quail, maybe 3.
Nice.
There was a try.
See, they're kind of holding pretty tight because it's
Yeah.
wet. That's why that one didn't come up. I know he was back there. Yeah, good boy, good boy. That's good boy.
That's awesome,
Good.
dude. Nice shot,
Good boy,
Kyle.
good boy. That's a good boy.
Got our first one down. Good job.
Next time I'll try to take the shot.
You just stepped on him?
He just stepped on one?
Come on. Go it.
You're never going to see this.
Yeah.
This is the first time it's ever did.
Just picked him up with the hand. That's how we do it. Want to start heading that way?
I'll tell you what. You're a young man.
Yeah.
Go up on this road
Okay.
and go all the way down and get right in the middle where we are right now.
Okay.
And just stand there on the road looking at us. Now when you shoot, if they go up, make sure the birds are above us, okay? And we'll make sure we don't shoot you.
all right.
But hustle right down there and make sure they keep watching. Make sure they don't cross the road.
Get him to, can you fly? Get him to fly up?
Fly, just go in there and kick them around. There he goes.
Good job, Dad!
That was Gary.
Nice.
All right.
I think he went in the canal though.
Well, that canal's, we got him. Fetch, Hank.
I'll
Fetch,
go
fella.
get it. I'll go in the canal.
See that bird got all the way up here.
Yeah, you're right. They maybe got into the other field, huh? All right, Haas got his first pheasant.
Dad, can I get it?
Yeah, you boys go get him. Or let the dog do it, probably.
Oh, he wants that bird. I see it. Oh yeah, there it is. Want me to go get it, Dad? Yeah, I can. It's down there. I don't think you can see it. Oh, sorry. I know where it is, Dad.
Did you don't want the dog going down there, do you?
Well, if you can go down there and get it, can you see the bird?
Yeah, he's right here.
Right there.
Tower, come on.
I can go down there too.
Tower, fetch.
He sees it.
I'll go.
Go ahead. Oh yeah, I see him down there. Yeah, it's pretty dry. Just be careful. If you have to, call the dog over. Maybe he could. Tower,
He's
come.
alive still. I want to shoot
Tower,
it.
fetch. Tower.
Can I shoot it?
Tower,
He's
fetch.
still alive?
Can you get
Hold on,
over there?
hold on. Let Doug
Okay,
give
cool.
commands.
I was able to shoot it, Dad.
All right,
That's my first pheasant.
there you go. It's a good shot too. He was a ways away. Nice rooster.
Yeah.
Let him smell that, will you? Yeah. Tower. Good boy.
All right.
Good boy, Tower.
Good job, Tower. Nice.
Good job.
I feel good about myself now.
That was a good shot. That was a good shot. Yeah,
Nice.
he'll run that off.
Look how pretty the birds are.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Well, it's big.
What do you think? What do you think?
Good tower.
Yeah.
Good tower.
Yeah.
Well, what we should do now is we know that one Chukar went out.
Can you hold that?
I saw which row he was in. And we'll just move down. There's got to be more pheasants.
Can you put them in my bag for me?
I got to think that
Yeah.
you guys said you had two pheasants coming up that row.
I saw two when I was coming up. Yeah, two
I'm
heads.
just wondering if they didn't just duck over.
I'm
Tower, come.
finally got something.
Tower, come.
Got Haas over here, just took down his first pheasant.
Come on, Tower.
Yeah, it's been a pretty painful deer
Okay,
season.
we got one guy should be in here. That Chukar is
Okay.
kind of right on this line, but get pheasants out of here too. We'll just go this way. I'll get in the middle. One guy can stay here, and
Okay.
I'll go get in the middle one. And then if he locks up, just walk on over towards the dog. I'll let you shoot first.
Okay. Let's go, Tower.
I'm gonna get just over this hump here.
Okay, I'll go to this next.
Yeah, just stay short of it. Tower, come.
All right, we're gonna push this next row of this shortcut alfalfa. See if we can get some chukar or some more pheasants. We got 3 chukars down and a pheasant now, so or we might have 4 chukars actually, but we're gonna keep working and see if we can look at Tower work. Get to see if we can't kick some birds up. Head back to the truck. Looks like first little push we do got 4 chukar and a pheasant, so not too bad. Dog's got to get some water. We got to get some water. Get some more ammo and figure out what we're gonna do next. So stay
Over here.
tuned. Shooting the BB gun.
You get it?
No.
He hit it once. Go grab it. I think we're moving down
Here.
the other field.
You want to try firing this?
Here's
Yeah,
Hossy.
Dad.
Yeah, of
Just
course.
shoot
Just be safe about it.
Does it have kick?
Well, not too bad. See that little milk can? Just blow it out of pieces over there.
Let me get on this side of you, Chip.
Safety's ready. All you gotta do is
I
pull
don't
the
know if
trigger.
I want to.
Come on, Chip.
Keep it tight in your shoulder.
Put it on your shoulder.
I gotta get this on camera.
I don't want to.
You don't want to? Don't do it. That's all right.
You know how to do it.
I know it has kick.
It won't kick.
Just
It's
keep it.
it's a light dump. You keep it tucked in, it
Yeah.
doesn't hurt.
You have to keep it tucked in tight.
That's good like that, yeah.
Aim up, hold up.
Just pull the trigger.
Give it a try. Do it. Squeeze it.
You
No?
want to?
My neck.
That's all right. That's all
Okay.
right. You shoot it. Since it's starting,
Yeah. Don't get scared.
let's see if that milk carton will
Watch
take
out,
a
Rory.
shot. It doesn't hurt. It's just loud.
Sure you don't want to try it?
You want to try it?
Can I try it either?
Sure. This gun will kick less because
Go
it's
grab your milk
actually the gun that will kick the least will be yours. That
Yeah.
auto loader.
Yeah.
You can't even feel those.
Yeah, it doesn't do
This will
anything
kick
to
more
my...
than that auto loader just because there's no padding or nothing, you know.
Yeah.
Even though it's a 28 gauge, it's still.
Kennedy's belong to you, or one belongs to me.
There you go. All right.
All right.
I
No, don't shoot that way. Don't be pointing at it.
Yeah. Well, Hunting with Hoss fans, this sucks, but we got another pheasant down and we missed it on the camera. There was a driving down the road and some pheasants jumped the road and got out real fast, and they flew across this irrigation ditch, which you see I'm on the other side of now, but they landed and I was able to get out and take a shot, and I knocked one of the birds down, so he's dead up here. So we had to drive all the way back to the nearest canal crossing catwalk, so to say, and now I'm gonna walk down here and retrieve this bird for you. Saw that bird, and there he is, my first rooster of the day. Yep, as good as dead. Got a nice tail on him. Yeah, he's a nice nice rooster, so super stoked on that. So yeah, we're gonna keep hunting, hopefully kill a few more of these guys. But yeah, that's my first rooster. Real pretty bird. So yeah, stay tuned.
All right, the boy got his pheasant. Beautiful looking pheasant. These birds are just so beautiful looking. Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, he'll be tasting good tonight. The boy over here has got a good recipe too, so we'll be eating pretty fat today. All right, Mr. Tower, let's get him. Oh, it's moving right in front of you, I think. Nice. Nice, Doug, nice. That was beautiful. Doug just put the hurting on that one. That's all right, second one counted.
Hey, wait a minute. Somebody go over there. Make sure there's another one. Is there another one over there?
I don't think so.
All right, Doug just put this dirt nap to that guy.
I know, don't distract me.
and then Rory or Chip and Evan go in to finish it off. All right, so here's our catch of the day. Got 3 pheasants and 4 chukars down in the Imperial Valley. What a great day of hunting. It was a lot of fun. The boy put the smackdown on a couple chukars and a pheasant, and I got a pheasant, and Doug got a couple chukars and pheasants. It was a good day of hunting. Now we get to go home and clean and cook and eat. Feels really good though to get something down on the ground. A lot of thanks to this guy right here, Tower. He's the one that did all the work. Right on. There's the dog that did all the work. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you, Doug, for bringing us down here.